In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a SIM card and a memory card from a 4G 4-lens solar-powered camera. Now, let's assume you want to change the SIM card to use maybe a different SIM card, or you want to add a bigger capacity memory card. So for example, I am using a 16 GB memory card and you want to add like a 256 GB memory card, which is supported by this particular camera. Now, on the PTZ camera right here, there's this flap that shows a memory card of sorts here. This is what we need to open, and I'm going to be using some tweezers because I don't have sharp nails for this. So I'm just going to prop it open like that. And from here, you'll be able to appreciate that we have a memory card right here and a SIM card right there. Now, this point is a little bit tight, so you need to kind of tilt your tweezer like this and press the memory card. And once you press, it's going to pop up, and then hold it with your tweezers like that and remove it. And if you had another one, just pick it up and pop it right inside there and press it in for it to be well fused. Now, next up is for the SIM card. It's right here. If I just press on it a little, it pops up, and once it pops up, just hold it and remove it, put it on the side. Now, if you'd like to reset the camera, there is a button somewhere right here. It's a black button right here. You can use this particular reset button to reset the camera to default settings. Always remember, when you're doing all this, let the power button be off. Don't remove with the power button on. That's how to remove a SIM card or a memory card from a 4G 4-lens solar-powered camera. Thanks for watching.